What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you a simple woodworking project that I think everybody should have. Let's make some sawdust. Alright, for this project you'll need a little piece of fence picket or 1x4 or pretty much any type of wood. You'll start by cutting 4 3-inch pieces. Now cut another piece 5.5 inches. Since the board is 5.5 inches wide, that means this will make a square. And then finally, for your last piece, you'll cut a 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch piece. Now we got all the pieces cut out. I'm going to be pre-drilling all of our holes because cedar is such a soft wood and I don't want to risk splitting any of it. I only have one battery to work with, so I have to switch it in between each drill. Now we're going to be using these little 1-inch screws. Now finally for the top. We'll use our square that's not a square to make sure everything's lined up. And I didn't already pre-drill these holes because I didn't really know where these holes were gonna be. Great at making boxes, but this one turned out okay. Now it's time to give her a massage. And there we go, we have all of it assembled. Now we're gonna get a 1.5 inch drill bit and drill straight into the bottom. Switch that 1-inch drill bit out for a 3/8 inch drill bit. Take that drill bit and go to about the half mark and then drill up. The final step is to get a mason jar with a screwable lid on, and then you're going to take that lid and put it right on top and then nail it to it. Alright, let's dig in this big pile of nails and try to find 2 matching ones. Ah, yes. This part is a little bit tricky because you don't want to hit the rim right here and bend it. This is one of the trickiest part about this build. There we go, we got the first one in. there we go. We have just finished. Now you can take your mason jar and you should be able to screw it on top. There we go. Well, there you go, guys. I just showed you how to make an easy carpenter bee trap. And the theory behind these things is so those bees will go up through those holes up here, and then they try to go out, and they see light down here, so they go down here, and then they're just so dumb they just can't get out through the top. So you just have a whole pile of bees right here, and then when you're done, you can unscrew it, dump them out, and then go for another batch. About 1 year ago, I took 10 of these to a vendor sale, and I almost sold out of them, and I charged $15 for one of these things. So if you want to make one with just a 2x4, all you have to do is get a 1-inch drill bit and drill straight down the top right here till it goes about halfway, and then take your 3/8-inch drill bit and meet it at an angle. Then you can just take a Coke bottle and then just screw it in there, put an eye hook, and then hang it up, and you got a carpenter bee trap with just a 2x4. Well, guys, if you like this video, I think you might like some of my others. I'll put my woodworking playlist, which has about 30 videos on it right here. And then if you want to subscribe, I'll put that right here. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.